Here's some party tricks with dimensioning. So you've got a dimension here of the side of my rocket, and you can click on it, double click on it. You can highlight everything and press spacebar, and it makes the dimension just a blank dimension, which can be useful sometimes when you want to put something else other than text there. Now, how do I get that dimension back? Well, you use that little type of bracket and then a close bracket, and it brings it back. Now, another thing we want to do is put text under a dimension line. How do we do that? Now, if we put in here, for example, return spaceship, exclamation mark, it does the dimensioning like that, which some people like, but I prefer not to do it like that. I like the text to be under the dimension line. Now, I could get a bit of text here and just rotate it and put it under that dimension line, so it's not a part of the dimension line. But what I like to do is a backslash capital X, and then I'll get rid of that return. And it does it like that. Now, it has to be a capital X or it won't work.